welcome back to Vlogtober 2025. Yay! I mean, welcome back to Vlogtober. This is obviously the first video for 2025. And I believe this is our 5th year of doing it. I was gonna look it up before we started filming and I didn't, but I'm pretty sure this is year number 5. This is so exciting. And we're doing something totally different this year. Yup. I know you guys are used to like the calendar and we film upstairs, like in front of the coffin shelves, but we are filming down here this year. This is our living room where we have our whole Halloween town setup and we're doing something a little bit different. Should I tell them?
Yeah.
So what you should do right now is pause, go get a snack, because this is going to be a really long video. Instead of doing Vlogtober every single day for 31 days, we just decided we're going to do a super long video and open all 31 gifts right now.
Yup.
Do you think Grammy Di will be upset?
I think she'll be fine.
We're just kidding. I just wanted to play a little joke on my mom and have her kind of like freak out at home and be like, what the heck? No, we're doing 31 videos in 31 days. We're not doing anything crazy though. It's tempting when you see everything laid out to just open them all at once. But we're not doing that. But today is a longer video. So we have gift number 1 for October 1st. And then we have actually a box to do. Grammy Di sent this when she sent all of Vlogtober to us and was like, these aren't numbered, you can add them in whatever days you want. And we thought, let's just kick off October with a bang. So we're gonna do the whole box in this video. Also, Juliet and I have decided to retire the ghost calendar.
Yeah.
So it's not gonna be in this Vlogtober, which I honestly probably think nobody really cares, but I thought I should still share. We just really wanted to film down here. I really wanted to film down here in front of the tree. It's got a vibe and there's nowhere to hang the calendar, so no calendar, just us. Should we dive in?
Yeah.
Okay, why don't you do, this is gift number 1. While Juliet is opening, if you are new and you've never watched Vlogtober from us, basically we're counting down from October 1st to the 31st until Halloween. Grammy Di curates everything, and we open a gift or gifts every single day.
Oh my god, we all got matching shirts!
Oh my god, we love matchy. So it looks like our whole family got matching shirts. We'll take out 2 and just show you. Oh, what sizes? This is small. So this is me or you, and then here's Dad, so we'll leave his.
Nicholas got a small.
Nicholas got small. Okay, so me and Juliet will show you ours. Or do you want me just to open one?
We can just open one.
Okay. So they're all matchy. And it says Skellington. Ooh, this is cool. Jack Skellington, and it's like lightning with green and purple. I love the colors.
Oh, it's a vibe.
It is a vibe. So hopefully you guys can see that. These are adorable. I love it when we're matchy.
I have a good idea of when we can wear these.
Really? When? Oh, okay. I guess she can't say, so we'll tell you guys in another video. But these are super cute. Thank you, Mom. Kicking off October 1st. On a great note, we also got this wasn't labeled, so we can share it for any day, but it's a really cute like Day of the Dead sugar skull like disposable tablecloth, so you can use it anytime. Super cute. All right, awesome. So we are going to dive into this big box, and it's got an adorable Christmas bag, and I will show you guys just the top and then we will dive in. So it looks like this. We have some NBC paper. You want to do the notebooks first?
Yeah, I know what these are.
Oh, these for Nicholas?
No, that one's for...
Oh, this one's for you?
This one's for Nicholas.
Oh my god, this is so cute. Is it like, you know how sometimes they change? No, it's not. But this is a Minecraft notebook for Nicholas. Super adorable. And you got... Ooh,
Maleficent.
This thing is huge. Oh, it's just one thing.
Those are a few little wrap things.
Oh, that's true. Okay, I'm just gonna kind of take it out. It doesn't look like anything is labeled, so that's okay. But there's 3 things. Here I'm like, oh, this is gonna be a really long video. All right, do you want to do the big thing?
Yeah.
Should we save it for last?
Yeah, we should.
Okay, let's each do a wrapped one.
They're straw toppers!
Oh, that is fun. and these are, it's like cutesy, it's like spooky cute.
Yeah.
So it's like a pumpkin, a cute little ghost, a rainbow, and then a sugar skull. These are so stinking cute. I love those. Would you use those?
Heck yeah.
Oh, and then we got glass straws with eyes. Oh my god, I'm totally gonna use these today. Those are so cute. Where are these from, I wonder? Target? It seems like Target. Okay, so and Juliet's gonna open the big one. What is that? I see Sally on the side. What?
It's a lamp.
Oh my god, I think we saw this at Hallmark last year, and I was like, I want that, but it was kind of pricey. I bet you my mom got it. I bet she got it on sale.
I bet she did.
Like the day after, because she's so great about the sales. Oh my god, this is so
all about
cool.
the sales.
She seriously is. Try me. Okay, let me show you guys, and I'll see if I can turn it on. But I saw this lamp last year when I was at Hallmark, and like I said, it's pricey. So my guess is she got it in the day after Halloween sale, because they mark their stuff down really well. This is so cool. Press to watch the lamp light up and rotate to an instrumental version of This Is Halloween. Let me see if it'll work. If not, I'll insert a video. Yeah, it's not. Okay, so I'm going to insert a video like on the side here of what this looks like. It won't have the music to it though, just because they'll copyright us, but I've seen it in the store and it lights up. It's so cool. Do you remember seeing it or no?
I'm not 100% sure.
It says try me. Maybe this will work. Oh, okay, it does. Hold on. Hold, please. Okay, take that. All right, and luckily the music's not going to play, so that's good, but I'm just going to turn it on for you guys here. If I'm editing and it doesn't come out great, I will still insert a video, but it looks like it's playing, right?
Yeah.
So awesome. And then like I said, oh, it says on the back, it's 78 seconds of light and motion. But I'm sure you can make it continuous. This is amazing. Oh my gosh, where am I gonna put it? I don't even know. And then the bottom has like the snakes. I don't know if you guys can see the bottom on the inside. This is amazing. I am so excited. This is like the greatest gift ever. Yay! What a great day one. Okay, so anything else you want to add for Vlogtober? Anything you want to share?
We love Vlogtober.
Yes, we love October. Okay, thank you guys so much for coming back to Vlogtober for day one. We will see you tomorrow for day two. Bye.